Welcome back to Thinkers Treasury. Today we're delving into the heart of our planet, the rainforest. These vibrant jungles are teeming with life and play an instrumental role in our planet's health. So let's dive into some of the most fascinating, lesser-known facts about these extraordinary ecosystems. Did you know that despite only covering around 2% of the Earth's total surface area, rainforests are the biodiverse epicenter of our planet? These verdant ecosystems house a staggering 50% of the Earth's plant and animal species. It's a world where thousands of different trees vie for sunlight, where a multitude of insects crawl on every leaf, and where the air is filled with the songs of countless bird species. What makes this dense congregation of life even more impressive is the high level of species specialization. The fierce competition for survival in these ecosystems has led to the evolution of highly unique adaptations. Take, for instance, certain types of orchids that can only be pollinated by a single insect species. These intricate relationships between species add to the overall stability and resilience of the rainforest ecosystem. Rainforests are not just repositories of biodiversity, but also serve as the planet's pharmacy. Around 25% of all modern medicines are derived from rainforest plants. Yet we've only just begun to uncover the medicinal potential of these ecosystems. Only about 1% of rainforest plants have been thoroughly examined for their medicinal properties. This suggests a vast, untapped reservoir of potential life-saving drugs and treatments. But with the relentless clearing of rainforests for timber and agriculture, we risk losing countless species and their potential medicinal value before we've had the chance to discover them. Often referred to as the lungs of the Earth, rainforests play a vital role in our planet's health. They absorb massive amounts of carbon dioxide and are responsible for producing about 20% of the world's oxygen. But that's not all. Rainforests also significantly influence the global water cycle. They transpire a large volume of water, contributing to the formation of rain clouds. By doing so, they help regulate weather patterns both locally and globally, maintaining the delicate balance of our planet's climate. The rainforest isn't just a collection of trees and wildlife. Over 350 million people call the rainforest home, relying on it for their livelihoods. Among them are indigenous tribes, some of which have had minimal contact with the outside world. Their traditional knowledge and practices offer invaluable insights into sustainable living and conservation. Now let's talk about age. The Amazon rainforest, for instance, is at least 55 million years old. These ecosystems have stood the test of time, evolving into incredibly complex and irreplaceable habitats. Unfortunately, these ancient habitats are now under threat. We're losing an estimated 18.7 million acres of forests annually, equivalent to 27 soccer fields every minute. Deforestation, driven by logging, mining, and agriculture, poses an existential threat to rainforests and the staggering biodiversity they harbor. Scientists estimate that millions of species still remain undiscovered in the world's rainforests. This includes a wide range of plants, insects, and microorganisms. Each of these unknown organisms, no matter how small, contributes to the intricate web of life that makes the rainforest function as a cohesive ecosystem. The rainforest is not just diverse, it's also incredibly complex. It has a layered structure that contributes to its biodiversity. The emergent layer, the canopy, the understory, and the forest floor each support unique communities of plants and animals. Despite the immense value and critical role rainforests play, they are under severe threats. The loss of these precious ecosystems has dire implications for global climate regulation, biodiversity conservation, and indigenous cultures. This highlights the urgent need for more effective conservation strategies, sustainable development practices, and international cooperation. Rainforests serve as a stronghold for countless unique species, including some of the world's most endangered animals. The deforestation and degradation of these ecosystems mean that many species are losing their homes, pushing them closer to extinction. This loss is not just a tragedy for the species involved, but it also threatens the delicate balance of the rainforest ecosystem, potentially destabilizing these habitats and the essential services they provide. Rainforests are also critical to the livelihoods and cultures of many indigenous communities. These communities have lived in harmony with their environment for generations, utilizing the forest resources for food, medicine, and cultural practices. The loss of rainforests often means the loss of these communities' homes and ways of life. Hence, effective rainforest conservation efforts must also involve the protection of indigenous rights and knowledge. Moreover, the health of our rainforests directly impacts climate change. These dense forests act as massive carbon sinks, absorbing large amounts of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. When these forests are destroyed, not only is this crucial carbon-absorbing function lost, but the stored carbon is also released back into the atmosphere, further contributing to global warming. The continued loss of rainforests also threatens global water cycles. Rainforests play a crucial role in maintaining the world's water balance by recycling moisture into the atmosphere, contributing to rainfall both locally and across the planet. As we lose more of these forests, we risk altering these water cycles, with potential implications for agriculture and water supplies in many parts of the world. While the challenges facing our rainforests are significant, it's essential to remember that solutions exist. Conservation efforts are underway around the world, aiming to protect these vital ecosystems. From sustainable forestry practices to the establishment of protected areas and the implementation of reforestation initiatives, there are ways we can help safeguard our rainforests for future generations. Remember, every one of us has a role to play in the preservation of rainforests. By making informed choices, supporting organizations committed to rainforest conservation, and raising awareness about the importance of these ecosystems, we can all contribute to the fight to save our planet's rainforests. In conclusion, rainforests are much more than just a collection of trees. They are vibrant, complex, and indispensable parts of our planet, integral to our global climate, biodiversity, and human cultures. As we continue to uncover their secrets and marvel at their beauty, let's also ensure that we're doing all we can to protect and conserve these irreplaceable ecosystems. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the rainforest today. As always, remember to keep thinking, keep questioning, and keep exploring. We'll see you next time on Thinkers Treasury.